Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright, y'all, it's Thursday morning, and like I told y'all last week in my video, every Thursday I'm gonna try to do a Thursday deal of the week. As y'all know, I have lots of companies that reach out to me that want me to endorse and use a lot of products. And I told you, if it's a kitchen-based products, I'll do some research on it. If I like it, I'll put in a video on it and I'll kind of endorse it. But I must have a major discount code to share with my old school soul food family members. I know a lot of y'all like to know, y'all like the pots and utensils and pans that I use, and y'all always ask me where I purchase this, where I get this, what I use for this. And I like to share that with y'all from time to time. So right now I got a food processor here from Tailtronics, same company that I got the air fryer from. This comes with a 40% discount code, y'all. I'm gonna put all that in the description of the video. The price of it before the discount code, and of course there's a 40% discount code. I use food processors all the time to chop up celery, onions, carrots. When I make carrot cakes, which I'm gonna make one pretty soon here, my carrot cake, I do not grate no carrot. I'll put in my food processor. When I need to do a lot of onions, chop up, cheese I can put in this. A lot of things I use the food processor from. When I make dressings, I put it in here. I love my food processor. And this is pretty much the top of the line, better than the one I have now. I've already did some research on it. This makes mine look like a wimp. This is top of the line food processor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off here, I'm gonna unbox this thing, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you how it look outside the box, and then I'll go from there. So I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, I got it out of the box here. And another thing I didn't mention, this is a combination food processor and blender. It's a combination of both. You got your blender here, but you can make your shakes, which I love making old school vanilla shakes, y'all. I need to do a video on my shakes. But it's pretty simple, just like any other blender, food processor. It comes with two blades. Like I say, when I grate carrots and grate cheese, this is definitely what I'd use. Pretty much easy to put together. We're gonna put this thing on here and we're gonna see what we did here. Put this thing together. Plug it in here. There we go. That's it. Then of course you can put, I don't have the blades in there. That's pretty much it right here. And this thing, like I say, this is the limousine of food processors. So mine is definitely not this powerful. And I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. And then we got, like I say, you got your blender attachment. Goes on here. So it's a combination blender and food processor, which is amazing. It's like two items, you can have only one, because instead of having a blender and a food processor on your counter, you can just have one. That's one thing I love about this piece of equipment. Like I said, you can get it from Tailtronics.com. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video. 40% discount code. Come with a, user manual here, of course, how to put it together, how to clean it, and all that. But yeah, I just want to kind of share this with y'all, and I'll put the price down there in the description box, and the website, and the discount code also. So I like to just share things. Like I said, I have hundreds of companies reaching out to me. And like I say, I don't endorse nothing unless I'm actually going to use it. Something that I want an extra discount code. If I want to share it with y'all, I want y'all to be able to get a major discount for it. But some people on fixed incomes and things like that, and I want something to be affordable. And a lot of y'all always reach out to me, what do I use? What knives do I use? What pots do I use? What utensils do I use? And I got about the next 3 weeks, I got a lot of awesome deals of the week coming up. I got a ice cream maker coming up. I got some spatulas that are absolutely amazing spatula and whip combination that I use. Also got a skillet, what they call it, appliance set that I use a lot of. That I can get it. We're gonna get a major discount code on if you order. Like I said, I'm not here. I don't like to really do videos to promote stuff unless I actually use it. So anyway, these videos not really popular, but a lot of people use them and buy the items. And like I say, I don't endorse nothing unless I'm gonna use it myself. And this item right here, what I really loved about it, it's a combination of two things. It's a blender and a food processor. That eliminates having two appliances on my counter. I can have only one because this machine does two things instead of one. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please subscribe, please comment, please give thumbs up, please share. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year, 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.